Hello, I'm Pamposh, founder of the Therathai Wellness Center.
And I'm Subha, the co-founder of BeingSattvaa Retreat Center. We've put together this unique progressive series of refresh, reconnect, and immerse in the rainforest.
Through these retreats, we will connect to ourselves in nature through meditation and breath work. We'll practice a few different types of meditations together in the rainforest, besides waterfalls and other spots in nature.
We packaged this as a series because we wanted to break this up into bite-sized pieces. You just need to take 4 days at a time, and progressively we'll take you on this journey of being together with nature and connecting and immersing with yourself.
We'll also work on our mind and emotions through ancient Indian wisdom techniques which are still extremely relevant to our modern times.
You're going to see waterfalls, rainforests, ancient temples in Ubud and around Bali. We're able to be there in these spiritual spaces and at the same time with nature and have these wonderful practices of breath work and meditation through which we're able to connect with ourselves.
I don't have enough words to express my gratitude. I have fantastic memories of the ancient 9th century temples that we got out to, which was part of the retreat program. The experience here has helped me not only connect with nature in its truest form, but also with myself. I have so much more energy to take back with me. And I'm so glad that I participated, and whoever is watching this, if you have an opportunity, I would strongly recommend go for it.
All of this will be hosted at BeingSattvaa, a retreat center which is on the outskirts of Ubud, surrounded by rainforest, as you would expect, and paddy, and from where you can see the sunrise every single morning. We look forward to seeing you at the next retreat. Namaste.